So this one is wild, wonderful West Virginia, without a doubt. Look at that view. The lush forest in this piece of property is just absolutely beautiful. I love these woods. So anyway, this piece of property could be used for a bunch of different things. You could either get in there and build you a house on it, your dream home, or you could put your little cabin on there, or just use it for hunting. It is a great hunting area. Even when I was a kid, it was known for large bucks back in that area. I mean, big ones. So if you like hunting, this is awesome for that. If you like riding side by sides, yep, got some old farm roads on there, and you are miles and miles and miles of farm roads and back roads of West Virginia to travel on. It has a electric highline right-of-way going through this piece of property, which is absolutely perfect for a deer ambush point. You've got really nice long shots that you can take down through there. And of course, if you like, fishing, you are just a really short four-wheeler ride away from the West Fork of the Little Kanawha River. And of course, man, that's a nice place to take a dip whenever it's hot outside. You can go out there, ride out there, jump in the water, cool down, take a ride on the side by side. Just enjoy the beautiful, wild, wonderful West Virginia. You're not too far from Spencer, too. You can be at the Super Walmart they have in Spencer, and I don't know, probably 10 minutes or so. So it's not too far out of town. But yet, as you see the aerial view right there, there is nothing. There's nothing around you. Very few houses. Access is excellent. That is the state road, state maintained road, and that's Egypt Ridge there. Here. And then there is a farm road there beside of my Jeep, and that for sale sign, gated. And that's one way in. And then on the other end of, like behind where we're flying, there is another farm gate that leads down into the woods as well. So anyway, if you want this piece of property, don't mess around. Give me a call quick, because it will not be here long. My cell phone number is 304-377-3758. And I'm Mike Greenlee. I am the broker of Old Fences Realty. Thank you so much.